Hi there, students. Volition. Normally an uncountable noun. Your volition is your free will. Volition is a conscious choice or decision made by you, not forced. I can stop smoking if I use my volition. Most commonly, we find volition in the phrase of my own volition, of your own volition. You came here of your own volition. Nobody made you come. You made the decision to come. He resigned from his job of his own volition. Nobody forced him to resign. Nobody told him to resign. He resigned because he wanted to, using his own free will. A student will learn slowly if you force them to learn. But if they're learning because of their own volition, they learn much, much faster. It's the difference between I have to learn English and I want to learn English. If you're learning English of your own volition, you will make much better progress. Volition is related to the word voluntary. Volition is the exercise of your free will. You do something voluntarily, not because you have to do it. So volition, you use your own free will. You decide what you want and then you do it voluntarily. So volition, the mental power to choose your will. A sadist may hurt people with cold, premeditated volition. They want to do it. In linguistics, volition is a concept that distinguishes whether the subject intended the result or it happened by accident. So if this is what they wanted or it was just random chance. So volition, what you want, not what you've been forced to do, but what you actually want. I think I'd probably give this word volition a 7 in formality. I think informally I might say free will or just what you want. So I'd use this phrase of your own volition in something semi-formal and formal. Informally, your free will. And as to the origin, it comes from Latin. There's a Latin verb, volo. I wish, I want, I intend. So, volition, using your own free will. A decision or a choice made because you want to, without being pressed by external influences, although there are always external influences in a decision. So, to what point is it our volition? Well, everything is our volition, because nobody can make you do anything if you don't want to. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Volition. Of your own volition.